Hi everyone and welcome back to Fundamentals of Engineering with Farhad, Hydraulic Design. In this example, we review a concrete canal, an erosion hydraulic concrete canal, which is to be leaned with concrete. We want to calculate the volume needed to make this canal by a cover of concrete with a thickness of 7 inches all over the length of the canal. So in this example, an erosion control hydraulic canal with a length of 227 needs to be leaned by concrete. If we let a 12% allowance for waste and excavation, we want to calculate the volume of concrete needed in terms of cubic yards. This is our answer for our multiple choice question, and we need to start the problem. So by starting the calculation for our cross section, first you can easily see these are the dimensions, that's the length provided, and if we just calculate this area, then simply multiply it by 227 feet, we get the volume of concrete needs to uh, cover our canal. So if we have like rise over run 2 over 3, this is 14 feet, which is provided in problem statement. The run is 14 times 1.5, which is 21 feet. So if we have two sides of our triangle, hypotenuse is calculated like L prime is equal to 14 square plus 21 squared square root of that, and it just gives us the length of these sides are 25.24 feet in length. If we just assume these three part, each of them is a rectangle with the length, for example, L prime 25.24, two of them with the thickness of 7 inches, and this is 9 feet. We can easily, with a good approximation, get the result of our volume of concrete. So the volume of concrete is simply area of this yellowish area and then times the length of 227, which is the length of our canals, to get the volume of concrete needed. So we can easily calculate the area. So our area is two of these sides, which are 25.24 feet times 7 inches over 12, which is make it into turn it to feet, plus the reddish rectangle at the bottom. So that's this part, and that's again 9 feet times 7 over 12, conversion of 7 inches to feet. And then you can easily calculate the area is 34.70 feet squared. As soon as we have the area, we can simply multiply our area by the length of our canal. Then we get the volume of concrete needed in terms of the feet cube for concrete. So our volume is this numeric number, feet cube. And as we jump to our problem statement and multiple choices, you can easily see this is the volume, which you can easily see here. And each yard cube is equal to 27 feet cube. So simply divide this volume by 27. It just gives us 291.7 yard cube, and we can easily see that in our choices in our problem. But that's not the correct answer. That's just a rabbit hole. Be careful of that because it didn't consider the 12% allowance. As soon as you calculate the numeric value, don't read the don't jump to the answers. Read the problem statement come thoroughly, and you have to multiply this number by a 12% extra. So 200 choice B is not the answer. You have to multiply this number, which is almost available in the answers. You have to multiply it by, that's a simple trick there, 1.12. It just gives you 326.7 yard cube. And that makes the choice D the correct answer. Thank you. We'll solve more problems in hydraulic and engineering and fluid mechanics.